I just want to help women to remember to put themselves first, because yes, we're nurturers, but there are limitations to being nurturing. Now they show us the coloring pages. Oh my god! What's up? What pop? It's your girl Yana, and this is where I sincerely teach millennials on how to invest in their dreams, interests, and sustain self-help strategies. So you guys, this is going to be part 1 of Align by Design. What's inside of the coloring book? There are 3 parts, 3 sections in my coloring book. Just like I tell you guys, I help millennials on how to invest in their dreams, interests, and sustain self-help strategies. Those are 3 concepts. There are 3 concepts in here. So I'm just going to show you guys concept number 1. This is part 1. If you want to see what else is inside of this coloring book as far as the designs go, as far as the affirmations go, y'all gotta be subscribed to my new channel, Emiliana Design. Align by Design. There you go. This is my dedication, y'all. So my dedication is, this coloring book is dedicated to all of my bright and beautiful, talented souls who've watched my YouTube channel or are somehow aligned by spirits to this very passion project of mine. We must tune out others' perspective and listen to our inner voice. We are all aligned by our own design. Sincerely, Yana. Alright, so let's get right into it. I do have the table of contents. These are the 3 different sections that I was speaking of. And creativity and interests. Create your own scene, lights, camera, action. Actually, the camera that I use to record my videos, not my videos on my Sincerely Yana channel. I used to, but I use that camera for my Emiliana channel. Accept who you are and stand by your own definition of beauty. The infamous promo pic. Live life with intention and execution. It'll make your soul dance. And it has makeup, because you know how makeup, there's like concealer. So it says, don't conceal anything. Get ready for transformation. I love that. I kind of got it off of like thinking like Transformation Church, and you know how like makeup people do like different transformations. It just got little hints and jewels in it, you know. So your inner voice is the real music versus listening to all this trash they got on the radio or where all this trash ad music. Your inner voice is the real music, boo. Know that and mimic it. Okay? Release your creativity and generate new passion projects. That was part 1, you guys. Want a synopsis about this coloring book? Be sure to look at the videos down below. I'm pretty sure I read it in one of those videos. If you want to see part 2 and part 3, the rest of this coloring book, what else is there to color? I'll link it down below. Of course, I'm also going to link down below how I independently published this coloring book. I'll have that in the description box below. My newest channel will be in the description box below. Anything that has to do with like digital planning, Pinterest, coloring pages, Procreate, anything decor or arts wise, that's on Emiliana Designs. And then here on Sincerely Yana, this is where I teach you guys practical ways, or in my words, self-help strategies on how to invest in your dreams. So I see you on my next one. It's your girl, Sincerely Yana.